Namaskar. Overthinking is a habit that can drain out your energy. It would even disturb our sleep and make us even stuck with unnecessary thoughts. But like any habit, it can be changed. Let me introduce you to simple yet very powerful techniques to help you. Commit to this for 10 days and you will notice a shift how you would respond to your thoughts. Step 1. Set your intentions every morning. Each day as you wake up, take a moment to set up a positive intention. Sit quietly for a few minutes and focus on a specific goal. Something as simple as today I'll not think about what has hurt me, or I'll not get angry, or I'll not worry about the future. This conscious act trains your mind to be more aware throughout the day of the negative thoughts that make you overthink. Step 2. This is a 3-minute mindful pause. Once you have set your intentions in the morning, remember it. And whenever you catch yourself overthinking during the day, stop and take a 3 minutes mindful pause. And for this, see what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Simply observe the breath. Breath in and breath out without trying to control it. This practice is mindfulness in action. It grounds you in the present moment and breaks the cycle of overthinking. You even can do something like going to the window or splashing water on your face or putting your favorite song or chanting a mantra. But do this for 3 minutes to help your mind get out the overthinking habit. Now the step 3. Replace overthinking with positive question. As soon as you catch yourself spiraling into overthinking, pause and ask yourself a simple but a powerful question. What if things work out for me? This reframes your mental pattern and shift your focus from worry to possibilities. Instead of being stuck in negative what-if scenarios, you train your mind to consider a positive outcome that could unfold. Visualize yourself in a positive life situation by consistently replacing overthinking with this question. You create space for optimism and open yourself to new solutions. By practicing method every day, you will notice that your mind becomes more disciplined. Negative thoughts that once consumed your energy will lose their power. You will become the observer of your mind instead of a prisoner to your thoughts. Let me give you some more tips for your success. First, journal your progress. Each day, write down one overthinking pattern, what you observed and how you reframed it. This helps you trap your mental thought pattern and how you overcome it. The next important thing is to stay consistently. Don't give up on this method just because you feel lazy or bored with it. Practice it whenever overthinking strikes, making a habit, and over time your brain will follow this healthier thought pattern. Remember, our mind can be our greatest ally or our toughest opponent. By using this mind reframing technique, you will regain control over your thoughts and lead a life filled with more clarity, calm, and purpose. Try this for next 10 days and see how you feel. You will begin to experience a lighter mind, free from the clutter of overthinking. Stay calm, stay mindful, and stay in present. Namaskar.